So over here, you can see that I have a video project, and in this video project timeline, you can see that I got 3 videos right here. So first, I got this girl studying, and then you have the teacher right here with the globe, and then third, I got the girl right there. Let me just go around onto the timeline mode right here, and then you can see the timeline over here with different sizes of the video clips, as you can see. Well, let's say what I want to do is I want to cut out this video into 3 parts so that it appears in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end as well. So in that case, I can simply trim out the video. So over here, you can see that I have this video right here. And if I were to click on the trim video icon, then you can see that this is a full 6-second length of video right here. But I can go around over here, somewhere around over here in the timeline, and then just keep my timeline cursor over there, and then click on the 3-dot button to split out the pace right here. Once I do that, the video gets split out. So the first, if I were to go around onto this video and then go to the trim video, you can see that now it only has from this section till this section right here. And similarly on the second page, you can go around and see that I got from this to this section. So similarly, I can go around, keep my timeline cursor around over here, click on the 3-dot button and split the page once more. So now I am free to drag in these individual pages wherever I want. So now if I were to go around and keep the timeline in the beginning and press the play button, now you got the teacher holding the globe, and then you got the girl studying right there outdoors, and then you got the same video again, the other part, and then you got the girl right here, and then you got the globe again. So this same video has been cut into 3 parts. But even if the videos are cut, you can still go around and get portions of the video back right here because it is not deleted, and it won't affect the other cut videos that you have right here. And this is how you can simply go around and then work around with cutting of videos inside of timeline while working with VistaCreate projects. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.